Hi, Jessica here, and I was able to get McDonald's Pokémon cards that we are going to be opening, as well as the Happy Meal box, and we will try to put the Happy Meal box together after we open these. And I am joined by my other daughter,
Hi.
Pandora.
Hi.
And Persephone is around somewhere. All right, let's do this. All right, so each one comes in one of these little containers. Just so you know, before we start, McDonald's has now put a cap on how many you can buy, and it has to be as a Happy Meal. Okay, so let's open this one up. And when you go inside, you see it, there's a little pack. It says it has 4 cards in it. Let's open it further. I'm not quite sure what this is. It almost looks like a deck box, but not one. Let's put one together real quick and we'll see.
Ice cream. I want ice cream.
Oh, she wants her ice cream. I don't have ice cream.
Ask your father.
So that's kind of cool looking. And then there's another one that goes with it. I wonder if it's just something just to put cards into, maybe? But then that one's like upside down. All right, so we'll just put these here, and we'll get the rest of our packs out. Also, they were coming in white and black, so I don't know if there's gonna be a difference in what you get. I'll probably, just in case, I'll put like like the whites on one side and the blacks on another. Just because I'm curious if there would be a difference in what you get between the colors. And this has those as well, those weird little boxes. And it looks like it has like a little coloring page that you can do, or the kids can do. Also, I cannot stress this enough, people, that yes, these are really exciting. I did get some. Actually, I got quite a few. I got lucky. I didn't go completely overboard when getting them, and just kind of be considerate because little kids are buying this. I was told by a couple coworkers that people were trying to buy the entire box of toys, and just remember, there are little kids that want these. These are Happy Meal toys. Okay, so real quick, so I also just noticed that, so the black ones all had the same art on them, but the white ones so far had 2 different ones. And I'm gonna be honest, I think I mixed all the white ones together between these 2 ones, so I guess we're just gonna have to be surprised with what we get. Alright, so we might as well just put them all together and just be surprised at that point. We'll even shuffle them. Alright, so like I said before, these come with 4 each. And how I had seen it in other videos is that they show the foil first. So we're going to move the foil in the back. There's supposed to be 1 foil per pack. Oh, and the girls got ice cream. That is really bright. Alright, so let's not look at the foil. Gotta put it in the back. Alright. Ooh, I don't know if we can see it. There we go. Alright, so we have a Piplup. We have a Cyndaquil. A Turtwig. And the foil is an Oshawott.
No.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna put our foils in one pile, and our others in that one. All right, on to the next pack. All right. So one of the best cards to get, I guess, is going to be a Pikachu foil. So let's see. Alright, so we got a Snivy, a Sobble, a Rowlet, and the foil's a Charmander. I do like Charmanders.
Sounds so good.
Yeah, sounds good.
Alright, on to the next one. I gotta try to open these correctly because I don't want to see the foil right off. Alright, and flip. Oh, okay, so the first card we get is a non-foil Charmander. A Chikorita. I've always remembered Chikorita from the show. She was always mean, but she was like crazy about Ash. A Scorbunny, and a Mudkip. Mudkip is our foil. I gotta admit, these packages, they're very easy to get into, unlike other Pokemon packs. Alright. Oh, okay, so we have a Grookey, a Tapig, an Oshawott, and a foil Scorbunny. Okay, that's not too bad. I would like to have that Pikachu, though. So we have the Piplup, the Poplio, Rowlet, and a foil Chespin. Alright, so this pack, we got the Pikachu. It's not the foil Pikachu that we want, though. Squirtle, Rowlet, and a foil Cyndaquil. Alright, let's see. Once again, we have another Pikachu, but not a foil Pikachu. Chikorita, Rowlet. We've been getting a lot of Rowlets, I'm noticing. And a foil Litten. Alright. We got the Snivy, a Tapig, Oshawott, and another foil Charmander. Starting to wonder if we're gonna see this Pikachu, like the foil Pikachu. We've got two of the other ones. Okay, so Froakie, another Chikorita, Totodile, and another foil Chespin. Okay, got another Froakie, a Chespin, Turtwig, and a foil Turtwig to go behind the regular Turtwig. Losing hope on this Pikachu. Alright, we got a Piplup, Finnegan, Chimchar, and a foil Chikorita. Alright, there we go. Alright, we got another Froakie, another Chespin, another Score Bunny, and foil Finnegan. I only have 2 left. I really don't think we're gonna get this Pikachu. I will be super happy if I do. Okay, we've got the Piplup, Cyndaquil, Oshawott, and a foil Froakie. This doesn't work. I have to get more Happy Meals. Alright, we have a Grookey, again, another Tapig, a Chimchar, and a foil Chespin. So no foil Pikachus. That hurts. But let's put together this box right here, this Pikachu box, real quick. So it's got ears on the side. I think this is just gonna be a really simple, you just pop it out. Oh, there it goes. I'm trying not to break the actual box. Try and be gentle. Okay, so there's one ear. And there's a second ear. And I think it's just gonna be as simple as just putting the ears in these 2 holes right here.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, and there we go.
5. Stop.
And that is our Pikachu Happy Meal box with our Pokemon cards. So if you guys like this opening and want me to do more, let me know, and like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, bye!